we're filling up on gas, but like it was literally so stupid. Like the dock is like flush with the water level, and there's nobody here to like help you at all with your lines or anything. So like docking, and the wind's coming like this, like so it's blowing us away from the dock. So trying to get on the dock was brutal to get the gas. Now Austin's just trying to figure out the pump here. So today we are actually leaving Anchorage. It is a way nicer day today. It was so freaking cold last night and the night before. We don't have any heat because we're not yeah, you can see your breath because we're not at a marina. We're not plugged in. So we have solar, but the solar doesn't run the heater. It was cold last night. We're all bundled up. It's really bad out. We thought it was gonna be nice today, and it's not. It's really not nice. Oh. Yeah, we're getting 21 knots. We were getting like 23 and stuff earlier. We were supposed to have no. Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh. It's just brutal. Mid-November. Med is choppy. Windy all the time. Here just before we get to Marseille because we have to bring the dinghy. We have it on the dinghy davits back here, but we have to lift it up onto the roof so we can dock. We're still about 11 miles away from Marseille, and yeah, so we'll do that. We'll take the dog for a walk because there's like a little beach here, so we'll go out. The wind is so strong. We've been sailing with just the reefed main the whole time. We just got anchored. We're heading to shore to take Lenny for a quick walk, and then we're gonna keep going. We're a bit worried that we're not gonna make it there before dark now. There's like a pretty little town here. There's like this little baby octopus thing in here. This was so steep going up. Austin can't even get off the boat, off the dinghy. Hi, buddy. Oh, this is cool. There's like this little channel running in here. Huh. This is cool. There's a big long river running down in here. I don't know where we're going. Apparently Lenny's taking me somewhere. There's no way that this is a path. Where are you going, Lenny? The sun just set and we're just about there. There's a cool castle back here. I don't know if you can see it. It might be too dark now, but on that island, that's a big giant castle. It's getting cold now. Lenny's ready. Marina Marseille, CNTL. This is 11-meter sailing vessel, northern exposure. We are just entering your port. Nobody. I think we got here too late. Yo, Austin just hooked us up. We were talking about Domino's and we were just joking, like, how good would a Domino's pizza be if we were back home right now? And I'm like, you know what? I'll just look it up. We're in a city. I look it up and there's a Domino's like right here. So we have Domino's pizza. Oh my God, it's so good.